How to delete Shopify store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on plans. You will land on this page from which you will be able to close your store by clicking on the red button that says deactivate. Shopify might ask you to give them a reason as to why you want to delete this store, and after that, once you do that, they will ask for a password confirmation, and once you do that, the account will be removed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can cancel your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.